Exercise: Installing the JDK on Windows. Exercise objective. In this exercise, we'll proceed to install the Java Development Kit. We'll cover the process of downloading and installing the JDK. Download the JDK. Go to the next URL and download the JDK. Select the platform that corresponds to the operating system that you use. In this case, we select the Windows 64 option. Step 2. Installing the JDK. Once the file is downloaded, we double-click to open the installer. The process is very similar to any other operating system. Installing the JDK. The installer opens and click on Next. Next, we'll see the installation path of the JDK. Here, you can modify it, but we leave the default values and click on Next. We wait for the installation to finish. As part of the JDK Java Development Kit installation, the JRE Java Runtime Environment will be installed too. Here you can change the installation path, but we leave the default values and click on Next. We wait for the Java Runtime Environment installation to finish. Click on Close and we conclude the installation of the JDK and Java Runtime Environment. In this exercise, we have installed the Java Development Kit and the Java Runtime Environment in order to use the Java language in our computer. For more details of Java installation on other platforms or operating systems, you can check the next link.